Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is Diwali lights using IR receiver remote sensor. For this project, I have used IR remote, IR receiver, some LEDs, some jumper wires, resistor, nano and breadboard. I have connected A12 to positive, A14 to negative, the basic connection. The IR receiver VCC to positive, GND to negative, S to D2 of the nano. The LEDs are connected to D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 of the nano. The resistor also connected in between the LEDs and the jumper wire. Starting the coding with when order begins, IR receiver pin is connected to D2 of the nano for our pin. If sensor is connected, then if then condition, one button pressed, then set N to 1. If two button pressed, then set N to 2. If three button is pressed, then set N to 3. If four button is pressed, set N to 4. If 5 button is pressed, set N to 5. IR issue animation effect N speed 1. N is the variable. Let's upload. Upload success. See, when I press the one button, the LEDs are glowing. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share to your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed from LiQWYD.